Hey, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to withdraw money from BrioDirect. BrioDirect is a great platform for investing your money. It's easy to use, and it offers a variety of investment options. However, if you need to withdraw money from your BrioDirect account, there are a few things you need to know. Here are the steps on how to withdraw money from BrioDirect. Log into your BrioDirect account. Click on the Withdraw button. Enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Select the account you want to withdraw the money to. Click on the Submit button. Once you have submitted your withdrawal request, it will take 1 to 2 business days for the money to be transferred to your account. Here are some additional tips for withdrawing money from BrioDirect. You can only withdraw money from your BrioDirect account if you have a positive balance. You can only withdraw a maximum of $10,000 per day. You can only withdraw a maximum of $50,000 per month. If you need to withdraw more than $50,000 per month, you will need to contact BrioDirect customer support. In addition to withdrawing money from your BrioDirect account, you can also transfer money to other accounts. Here are the steps on how to transfer money to another account. Log into your BrioDirect account. Click on the Transfer button. Enter the account number of the account you want to transfer money to. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Click on the Submit button. Once you have submitted your transfer request, it will take 1 to 2 business days for the money to be transferred to the other account. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.